Hello again, Mark here from Twin Peaks Wild Camping. There's Simon as usual, both in matching orange coats today. Right, today we're in the western Brecon Beacons in the Black Mountain, and we're going to be taking a hike up to Llyn Y Fan Fach and hopefully doing a wild camp there tonight. That's where we're going. So let's get on it. See you in a bit. We haven't long left the car, and as soon as we left the car park, the heavens opened, and it was a quick scramble, trying to get wet weather gear on and putting the rain covers on the rucksack, because the heavens opened and we got absolutely soaked. You see behind me, there's the road at Llyn Y Fan Fach, and if you look at the screen here, the amount of water coming down there just basically shows how much rain we've had in the last 24 hours. So we're going to make our way up there, see you at the lake. Yeah, we're not going to go far walking wise today, because I done my last video was on the Canadian Wellington Bomber Memorial site up in the eastern side of the Brecon Beacons, but I've been having trouble with my right foot, so I can't really walk that far. But now I'm on medication, it's getting better, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I can do a bit more hiking the next couple of months. But there's Mark, look, and no camping. We're not going to listen to that, are we? We've got to abide by the rules. Do you know what I mean? If it says no camping, no camping. Simple as that, isn't it?
No, that means we are camping.
I'm not sure, but I think that there might be a trout fishery. If someone could confirm it, but I'm sure it is. Let me know on the comment section of this video. It's the first time we've been to this part of the Brecon Beacons, and the scenery is stunning. Look at the backdrop there, look. Really nice. Here we are then, folks. We just got to Llyn Y Fan Fach. It's a bit windy up here, surprise surprise. It's always windy when we go on our wild camp. And there it is. Stunning place, I gotta say. And if I pan around, come down, some sort of shelter. It's not a bothy, but I think it's just like a rescue shelter. And there it is, the outside of it. Let's have a look inside. And the rescue shelter there is just full of graffiti. Some sort of fire, and it's a bit of a mess in here, to be honest. Right, let's get back into the daylight and the wind.
Just got in the shelter now. We're going to have a cup of coffee and a chocolate bar. Bit of Radio 6 in the background. We're going to reconvene and decide where to pitch up for the night.
Still major one. We're currently sat in the shelter, basically sheltering from the wind and the rain. Have a cup of coffee. And we're going to plot our next move. We're not sure about the camp yet, so we're going to wait for the wind and the rain to die down, and we're going to have a wander around and see where we can pitch a tent for the night. And another thing as well, I've brought my drone, but again, I think it's going to be too windy to use it again, so that's going to be a bit of a bummer. Because the last time I took it out on the last video, I couldn't use it because of the wind. The wind was too high, and it's the same up on this trip now as well. So hopefully the wind will die down and get a chance to use it. So we'll see what happens on that one. At the moment, we're going to have a nice cup of coffee and plot our next move. Right, come out of the shelter, we've had a cup of coffee, and we're going to try and find somewhere to camp out this wind, because some of the gusts up here, like probably about 40-mile-an-hour gusts coming over the top of this hill. At the top there, that mountain there is called Brecon, and the one to the left, that is Fan Fach. And we're going to head over this way and try and find a place to camp. Out of the wind, hopefully. Let's try and find somewhere suitable. Yeah, it's so windy, it's blowing the camera off my hand. We're trying to get across this stream here. We went all the way down there to get across, but the water's so high we can't get across there, but now we just found a bridge. So you can see behind me, that's the view of the lake there. And we're going to basically go across that bridge over there, go to the right, and hopefully camp up there. Right, we just come to the top of this hill. We found a place to put a tent, but then we just discovered somebody forgot to fill the water bottle up with water. So now, I'm going to walk all the way down there to get water. Don't start walking then. Not happy. That's how you doing it. Tent's all set up now. There it is. And what a fantastic view over Llyn Y Fan Fach. And there's the sun setting. Beautiful place. Absolutely stunning. There's the tents all set up. There's tonight's tea. Frankfurters and pepperami. I got one of these pasta snack shots from Lidl's. They're pretty good, to be honest, quite tasty like. So what radio station is that, Mac?
Planet Rock.
And we're listening to Planet Rock as well. All in all, a good night. What amazes me is these sheep on the top of that mountain there, right to the top, and the drop is like a sheer drop. How the hell they get up, but I don't know. Unbelievable. I don't think I'd fancy walking up there, but they seem to manage it quite well. They're right at the top there, and not sure if you can see them right at the top of that mountain there. And they are there, look. And they just wander around like it's nothing, like. But you wouldn't see me walking up that side of that mountain anyway. Crazy. That's the current view. Good morning from Llyn Y Fan Fach, a windy Llyn Y Fan Fach. We had food last night, but the rain came in, so basically didn't do any more filming. It was windy and raining, so we went in a tent and just basically stayed there all night, and then didn't do any filming. There wasn't much point really, because there wasn't much to see, so we just woken up now. It's 6:30, and we're gonna have some breakfast. Welcome back to a windy Llyn Y Fan Fach. Right, we're all packed up. 7 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning now. As you can see, we've left no trace whatsoever. Walking back to the car now. Got down to the lake, and the wind had dropped a bit, so I've actually used the drone, so I'm a happy camper now. So I just hope the footage turns out okay to use in this film.
Something's wrong, I waited up, wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Stars are bright, they call you up just to hear